Hi. Welcome to the Plumb5 social engagement tutorial. By the end of this tutorial, you would be able to monitor your social feeds, create sentiment searches, manage posts, and create mail alerts. Social management opens to a feed monitor dashboard, which displays all your current feeds, sentiment search results, and upcoming posts. Using Plumb5, you can manage 4 social networks from a single dashboard. Plumb5 can connect to Twitter, Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Recent Search Panel shows the result of your keyword searches. The bar chart displays the total count of positives, negatives and neutral sentiments. On the bottom right, you have the upcoming posts panel. This grid displays all your scheduled posts. You can use the social feed configuration to connect to the networks. Plumb5 can connect to your Twitter feeds. It can also connect to a Facebook page or profile. You can connect to your Instagram wall and your YouTube channel or account. Next, we move on to the sentiment search module. Here, you can create and monitor keyword searches using the search engine results. First, you start by keying in the name of the search and then the search keywords. Then, you select the search engines where you would want to search for sentiments. Plumb5 supports most of the popular search engines. Additionally, you can filter the search by images, videos, or news. Web search is the default search type. Optionally, you can also select domains that you want to ignore. For example, you might want to ignore sites like IMDb, which could return results based on a movie name. You can also select priority words. These are words that you want more emphasis upon. For example, awesome. You can also add words that you want the search crawler to ignore. Once the search has been created successfully, we can move on to the My Searches section. My Searches, this section opens to a dashboard, displaying a word cloud, containing keyword suggestions for the domain or brand. The chart on the top right shows the overall sentiment score for all your keyword searches. The bottom grid lists out the details of all your keyword searches. The Keyword Ideas Cloud plots a list of keyword suggestions for your domain or brand. These keywords are scored by relevance for search engine optimization and search engine marketing campaigns. This cloud plots all related keywords for your brand. The overall sentiments gauge shows the total cumulative sentiment score out of a total of 5 for all your searches. A score of 1 is allotted to a positive result, -1 for every negative result, and a score of 0.5 is allocated for all neutral scores. The grid at the bottom shows a list of all your keyword searches. You can manage and edit all your searches from here. The highlighted number shows the new search results returned for your keyword. You can view your search details by clicking on the individual keyword. You can also start a search from here. Search details. This screen lists out the keyword search results in detail. The top row shows the number of results by website. When you scroll through the list, you will see these colored dots under each result. These are sentiment scores calculated automatically by the system. This can be changed manually. There are 4 scores for each result: positive, negative, neutral, and ambiguous, denoted by colors, green, red, blue, and orange respectively. I can manually change the sentiment by clicking on the dots. This news item appears to be positive, but is marked as neutral. I will go ahead and make it positive. You can filter the results by sentiments using the slider. You can also search for a specific word within the results. The report section opens to a set of charts displaying the sentiment results in detail. You can see the domains or websites that yielded the maximum results, and the total sentiment score breakup. Finally, schedule your searches. You can schedule your searches to run on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Manage posts. This section lets you manage all your broadcast messages in a single place. You can compose and post messages to Facebook, Twitter, and your LinkedIn account. You can also schedule your posts. Once you have connected to your network, click on Create New to compose a new message. The new message screen comprises of two sections: Create Posts and Preview Post. The Preview section shows a live preview of the post as seen in the social network wall. The preview will only be shown for the connected networks. Now, I shall create a new post. First, I click the checkboxes for the network that I want to post into. You can see the preview getting loaded as I type. You can paste a link with the post. If the link contains open graph meta tags, they would get resolved in the preview, similar to the social network. You can also choose an image to upload. Please note, this will override the OG tags. This behavior is similar to the social networks. Once you have composed your posts, you can either send it immediately or schedule for a later date. You can click on the post history to see the list of all your previous posts. Post Reports gives you the response details of each post. The metrics here are number of retweets, number of likes, etc. Last, we move to the Notifications section. Here, you would be able to create Google Mail alerts for your keywords. Google Alerts is a content change detection and notification service offered by the search engine company Google. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. Thank you.
Plumb5, the unified data platform.